They were powerful, reliable, but never lived to see preservation. This is the story of the LMS Patriot Class, known affectionately as the Baby Scots. Between 1930 and 1934, the London, Midland and Scottish Railway introduced 52 express passenger steam locomotives, designated as the Patriot Class. Designed by Sir Henry Fowler, these engines were an ingenious hybrid, combining the chassis of the earlier Royal Scot class with the boiler from the ageing Claughton class. It was a clever cost-saving move, recycling and adapting rather than starting from scratch. The first two engines were genuine rebuilds of old Claughtons, but the rest? Well, they were technically brand new, only labelled as rebuilds to make the books look better. A total of 52 Patriots were built, and they quickly earned a reputation for being dependable workhorses on long-distance routes. Nicknamed the Baby Scots, the Patriots bore a strong resemblance to their larger cousins, the Royal Scots. They were elegant, compact, and packed with potential. You'd find them thundering along the West Coast Main Line, hauling express services between major cities like London, Birmingham, and Glasgow. They were based at major depots including Crewe North, Carlisle Upperby, and Willesden. From 1946 onwards, 18 Patriots were rebuilt with a Stanier 2A boiler, a new cab, and a modernised tender. These rebuilt Patriots were essentially new locomotives again, yet still carried the name of the original class. Sadly, as steam declined in the 1950s and 60s, the Patriots were gradually withdrawn from service. The last examples were scrapped by 1965, and not a single original locomotive was preserved. For years it seemed the story of the Patriots had come to a quiet and undignified end. But not quite. In recent years, a new build locomotive project has begun, the construction of a brand new Patriot class engine, number 5551, to be named the Unknown Warrior. Built in tribute to the fallen soldiers of the First World War, this new engine is being assembled at heritage sites across the UK, including the Westshed and Tyseley Locomotive Works. When completed, it will become the only Patriot class engine in existence and a living memorial in steam. The LMS Patriots represent a vital chapter in British railway history. They were an elegant blend of old and new, built in the shadow of financial pressures, but remembered with pride and affection. If you've enjoyed this look into the story of the LMS Patriot class, please do give this video a like, share it with your fellow rail enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more tales from Britain's railways. And tell us in the comments, which lost locomotive would you like to see brought back next?